Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15. So this is the normal one, not the Plus, not the Pro, not the Pro Max, just the normal one. I have gotten my hands on a black version of this. I've also ordered a Pro, but it's gone missing. I've been waiting for over a week. I was supposed to get them both together, but this one arrived and the other one hasn't. So I don't know what's going on. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So this is the black version of it. That's the braided cable. Looks pretty much same to the new MacBook cables. SIM extractor because it's still in Australia. Alright, that's basically it guys. Let me know what you guys think of it. I really like the black color, the aluminium, and as you can see, like there's a slight bend here, you know, and you can see it here as well, going into the edge, so it feels a bit better to grip. And the back is now matte as well, so no longer a fingerprint magnet. This part is gloss, but I can't see any fingerprints on it at the moment. So that's basically it guys. Let me know what you guys think about it and what you guys want me to test it up against. I've got an iPhone 12 and I would really love to like pair this up against that and see how we go. Alright, thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.